Hey everyone, welcome back to Earn It Online. If you're looking to make money online in 2025, you've come to the right place. Today, I'm sharing the top 5 websites that can help you start earning real cash from the comfort of your home. Whether you're looking for a side hustle or a full-time income, these platforms are perfect for beginners and pros alike. So, let's dive in. Starting off at number 1, we have Fiverr. Fiverr is one of the most popular freelancing platforms out there, and is perfect if you have a skill or talent to offer. Whether it's graphic design, video editing, writing, voiceovers, or even something quirky like creating custom birthday messages, Fiverr lets you create gigs and connect with clients worldwide. The best part? You don't need years of experience to start. Simply create a profile, list your services, and you're good to go. Fiverr also has categories for almost any skill, from programming to lifestyle services like relationship advice or astrology readings. Explore niches that align with your interests, as less competition in specific categories can help you stand out. Plus, Fiverr now offers Fiverr Business, where clients are willing to pay even more for professional level services. Pro tip: focus on delivering quality work and getting 5-star reviews to climb the rankings and attract more clients. Fiverr's interface is user-friendly, making it an excellent choice for beginners. Next up, we have Upwork. If you're serious about freelancing and want access to higher paying clients, Upwork is the place to be. Unlike Fiverr, where clients come to you, on Upwork, you'll send proposals for jobs that match your skills. Whether you're a web developer, digital marketer, or virtual assistant, Upwork's vast marketplace has opportunities in almost every field. You'll find everything from short-term gigs to long-term projects, with clients who often pay premium rate. One of the key advantages of Upwork is its wide variety of job categories. There's something for everyone. The key to success here is crafting personalized proposals that highlight your experience and how you can help the client. Take time to read the job descriptions carefully and tailor your proposal to address the client's needs. Once you build a strong profile and gain positive feedback, you'll start seeing repeat clients and better paying jobs. Remember, consistency and communication are critical for long-term success on Upwork. Coming in at number 3 is Etsy. But hear me out, Etsy isn't just for selling crafts and handmade items anymore. In 2025, digital products like planners, templates, and printables are dominating the platform. Digital downloads are a fantastic way to generate passive income. Create the product once, upload it to Etsy, and it can sell repeatedly without you needing to manage inventory or shipping. Some popular niches include budgeting tools, calendars, and even educational resources for teachers. If you're into design, you can explore free tools like Canva to create stunning digital products. You can also use print-on-demand services to sell customized t-shirts, mugs, and more without holding inventory. These services handle production and shipping, allowing you to focus on marketing your designs. If you're creative or have an eye for design, Etsy can be a goldmine for earning money online. With a bit of research, you can find niches that align with your skills and interests to maximize success. At number 4, we have Amazon KDP, or Kindle Direct Publishing. This platform allows you to publish ebooks and low-content books like journals and planners, which are super popular right now. You don't need to be a professional author to get started. There are tools and templates to help you design books easily. For example, tools like BookBolt can assist in creating low-content books quickly. Once you publish your book, Amazon takes care of the printing, shipping, and even customer service. It's a hassle-free way to generate passive income. And with Amazon's massive customer base, you have a great chance to start earning royalties every month. Pro tip: do some keyword research to target niches with less competition but consistent demand. Categories like self-help, productivity, and hobbies often perform well. Publishing several books can create multiple streams of income over time. Last but definitely not least, we have Teachable. If you're an expert in whether it's cooking, coding, fitness, or photography, you can create and sell your own online course. Teachable makes it super easy to design a professional-looking course, even if you're not tech-savvy. The platform provides tools to upload videos, create quizzes, and design course outlines. You can even set up payment plans for your students. This flexibility makes it accessible to a global audience. Online learning is booming in 2025, so this is a perfect way to turn your knowledge into income. Pro tip: focus on creating a course that solves a specific problem for your audience. For example, a step-by-step guide to mastering beginner photography, or building a personal budget plan. Start by identifying your audience's pain points and offering them value. And there you have it, the top 5 websites to make money in 2025. From freelancing on Fiverr and Upwork to selling on Etsy, publishing with Amazon KDP, and creating courses with Teachable, These platforms offer endless opportunities for you to start earning online. So, which of these are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on more tips and tricks to help you earn it online. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.